In 1901, off the coast of a tiny Greek island called Antikythera, a team of sponge divers made an unexpected discovery. They were searching for treasure. Instead, they found a mystery. Buried in a 2,000-year-old shipwreck was a lump of corroded bronze, small, fragile, and forgotten. But when scientists began to examine it closely, they realized something shocking. This was not treasure. This was technology. This is the story of the Antikythera Mechanism, an ancient machine so advanced, so precise, that for decades, no one believed it was real. The fragments were confusing. Wheels, gears, teeth, rotating plates, all fused together by centuries under the sea. It took years, decades, for researchers to even begin understanding what they were looking at. It wasn't until the 1950s that British physicist Derek de Solla Price proposed the unthinkable. This was a kind of analog computer, built over 2,000 years ago in ancient Greece. And he was right. The Antikythera mechanism was designed to track the heavens. It could predict eclipses, model the phases of the moon, map the positions of the planets, and even calculate the dates of the Olympic Games, all using bronze gears hand-cut with unbelievable precision. This wasn't a toy. It wasn't ceremonial. It was functional. A device from the ancient world that worked like the inside of a clock made 1,000 years before clocks existed. But here's the real mystery. How? How did ancient Greeks, centuries before the telescope, before Galileo, before Newton, build a machine this advanced? And perhaps even more puzzling, why did it disappear? No other device like it has ever been found from the ancient world. No blueprints, no writing, no instructions. It appears and then vanishes from history. Was it a one-of-a-kind marvel, or part of a lost tradition of forgotten engineering? We may never know. Modern X-ray scans and 3D imaging have revealed even more. The mechanism used a system of differential gears, something believed to have been invented in the 16th century. But here it was, in a shipwreck from the 2nd century BCE. This discovery shook the foundations of what we thought ancient people were capable of. We often assume progress is linear, from primitive to advanced. But the Antikythera mechanism whispers something different. That knowledge can leap ahead and just as easily be lost. Was the mechanism used by astronomers? By philosophers? By a rich patron curious about the sky? We don't know. But we do know this. Whoever built it understood not only gears and ratios, but the movement of the cosmos. It was math. It was mechanics. It was beautiful. Today, the fragments of the Antikythera mechanism are housed in the National Archaeological Museum of Athens. Scientists continue to study it, simulate it, reconstruct it. And as they do, we're left with a haunting realization. We don't always invent. Sometimes, we rediscover. Thanks for listening to Echoes of Time. If you enjoyed this episode, follow and share. The past is full of machines, mysteries, and minds far ahead of their time. Until next time, stay curious.